Welcome to Kids Academy. Circle the figures that are divided into equal parts.
Equal parts.
Oh.
Tap the green check
What
button
does that
once
mean?
you're
What
done.
does that mean?
It means it's all equal. Oh, now you messed it up. Go back.
Circle the figures that are divided into equal parts.
So circle the ones that are even. So which ones are even? Is this even?
Even to what?
Look at the 1, 2, 3, 4. So is that equal parts? There's 4 equal parts, right? So we're gonna circle that one. Good job.
Wow,
What about
you
this?
did it all by
Are those
yourself.
equal? Nope, so we're not gonna do that one. What about this one? And what about this? Look, there's 2 triangles.
Yeah, so...
And then,
You're on the right track.
Sorry.
Keep it up.
It's okay, come on. And then what about this one?
Can't do it. So this one, and this one.
Excellent.
Good job.
Read
try
the
this
words
one.
in each row. Check the boxes under the long vowel
What's
words.
a long vowel? It's a vowel that
Tap
says
the
it's
green check button once you're done.
that says its name, right? So it has to sound like A, E, I, O, or U. Okay. Does that say his name? Read the word.
Same.
Does that sound like A, E, I? Okay, we'll go ahead and give it a check. What about the next word?
Hat.
Does hat sound like A, E, I, O, U?
No. Rake.
Does rake sound like A, E, I, or U? Rake.
No. Can. Really. Hung.
Wow, you did it all by yourself.
Caught. Box. Bone. But let's try bone. Pig. Ice. Rice. Height.
Good job.
Next act. Fun.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!